Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for the first hairstyle, we are going to start off by taking a braid from each side of the head, preferably at the same level, and we're going to just take that to the back of the head and then secure it with a hair tie. This is one of probably the easiest hairstyles and is one of my go-tos because it's very simple, minimal work, and it's cute. And that's hairstyle number one. Okay, for the next hairstyle, we're going to start off by doing a side part, kind of like a deep side part. So just section off your hair and make sure that it's nice and smooth as it possibly can go. I know it's kind of difficult with jumbo braids, but we're going to try anyway. And you're going to start by putting your hair into a ponytail and then making it look just as nice as possible. I know my braids look a hot mess, especially on the scalp part, but these braids are super old and actually need to come out, but that's another video, another time, another day. And I just put mine to the side because I thought it was cuter that way. And that's style number two. Okay, so for style number three, we're going to take the hair out of the ponytail. And then we're going to actually just separate your hair into two halves, just like I'm doing in this part. And you're going to start braiding the hair into a long pigtail. So obviously when you're done braiding, this braid is going to be very long because my hair is very, very long. I feel like this is probably the longest my single braids have ever been. I didn't have the time or the effort to cut them shorter than this, so yeah, the braid is going to be really long. And make sure to get them ends. You can actually try to braid it to the very end, or you can like secure it with a tiny rubber band so that it won't unravel. And you do the same thing on the opposite side. Just keep braiding and braiding and braiding. I'm dancing because like I'm listening to music when I was doing this because obviously it was a lot of work. So just keep braiding, and then when you're done, you should have two cute pigtails. I feel like this is like a very cute country style. Like if I was going to like a country event for whatever reason, this is what I'd be sporting. You never know in Texas. I don't live in Texas, but you never know. Okay, so let's start by unraveling those two pigtails. And we're going to take 3 braids on each side. I like to take 3 because I don't know, because this seemed like the right thing to do. So you take 3 on each side and then pretty much just wrap those 3 braids around your head. It's kind of like a crown if you think about it, and then just secure it at the back of your head with a hair tie. This is also my next go-to style. I feel like this one's a little bit more cuter than the other one. It gives off a crown-like effect. And yeah. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, we're going to start off by sectioning off half your head. Well, obviously, you're sectioning off half of your head. Yes, that's correct. So you're going to be taking the front half and just, smooth it up into a high ponytail like I'm doing. Yes, just get all that hair up in there. And then take a hair tie like I am doing and just secure that ponytail nice and tight. Or if you don't like it too tight, you can have it loose too. It's really up to you. You can do no wrong with a damn ponytail. And do not hurt yourself. Like, do not hurt yourself, Tanisha. Why are you hurting yourself, girl? And then just play around with the ponytail, make it look nice and cute, and then you have it. Your next style. This is cute. Okay, this one's gonna be very simple. From that hairstyle, just move it to the side. Move that ponytail to the side, and then you have it, your next hairstyle. Okay. Okay, so this hairstyle, you can use a hair tie, you can use a scarf. I'm using a large rubber band kind of thing. This is kind of the same mechanism for doing a high puff, for those of you who are natural and wear a puff. So it's the same concept. You're pretty much wrapping that band or scarf around the base of your head and just tying it up into a ponytail. Obviously I'm struggling because there's so much hair and it's just not doing what I wanted to do. But it will get better. So just make sure you secure that band. Do not let it go, because if you let it go, everything will just go to crap. So once you've tied it, you can just fix it, and then yeah, you have a nice little high ponytail. I like to wear this to parties. Just slick down your edges and then you're good. Okay, this is the last hairstyle, so we're gonna take that ponytail down just like that. All your problems are gone. Yeah, scratch your scalp, girl, scratch your scalp. Just play with your hair, and this is the last hairstyle, the easiest of them all. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you back soon.